Jamie.
Hey, be careful with my oven.
Oh.
We forgot to put the steaks in the oven.
Oh, let's get them out.
She's preheated.
Can you lay them flat? Because they might drip a little bit. Well, it'll be interesting to see how well this thing cooks.
I'll stop if we have a grease fire.
All right, let's get going. There's the difference between our rigs. He's got an oven in his engine, and I have a TV in mine. So we decided to try to cook a little food today. So Jamie made a little box that mounts to the head of his engine and hangs over the top of his exhaust manifold. And cooked up a couple steaks and wrapped them up in foil. Tossed them in his oven, and hopefully in a couple hours it'll be too warm. But we'll see. Could be a disaster too.
Dandy Dick.
Cool.
It's named after the horse Billy the Kid stole after he shot Sheriff Brady.
Really? That's cool.
If he's stuck here, then it's going to be a long ways up there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. This one?
Do it. Okay.
Oh, you rolled back a foot. I think if it could just blaze right over and get in that shallow spot up there, we might be able to make it.
I was talking to them, I would have backed up. You needed a little more run at it, didn't you? Yeah. Oh! Go ahead. Oh, you're...
Got it.
Oh, you're making... You made it!
Piece of cake.
That was easy.
All right, well, get up here, see if you can get up here, and then we'll... Big running start. Oh, so close. You're about 6 inches from being clear. There it is. Woo! First try.
I spoke too soon. His Jeep usually does so much, or his thing does so much better than mine usually.
Yeah.
Because I'm so light, but I got a lot of stuff this time. Yeah.
He's so close.
Craig takes his out, and not just to Starbucks. He's fixing up a Jeep like mine.
Oh yeah? That's cool.
Yeah. Are those four-wheel drive?
I think some of them are. Almost polygraph.
The seats in the back are sweet.
One my Dakota? Oh yeah, I remember you talking about that. Not gonna happen.
I'll try it.
Yeah,
Is it okay if I try it?
Let me get out of the way so you can blaze the trail for us.
Oh, there we go.
It's warm, but it's not hot.
Careful with the spring again.
Warm, but not hot.
We're getting there.
Couple more hours.
Couple more hours, it'll be ready. Those pre-cooked steaks.
Nope. That was pretty cool.
Pretty fun.
Easier. If I can get out of this.
You can get out of here. There's Rice Lake way over there.
Never mind.
Ooh. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You little tug? I'm gonna get a stick from Windows. This tug boat or
This isn't my OnlyFans account. I'm gonna take my hubs, turn my hubs out. Makes it easier to plow in the snow. Oh, wow. Okay. Don't embarrass me now. Okay, just pull me home. I'm turning this thing on. So I put it in two-wheel drive and it wouldn't do what I wanted it to do.
Aw.
It tracked.
Time for lunch? Ooh, hot. Ooh, ouch. Oh. You put those on raw this morning. Look at that.
It even
Man.
marinated them.
Wow. That is an amazing little oven you got there.
That's a good looking piece of ostrich. I also learned that there's a lot of mountains in this state.
That's Adam.
And then it's a possibility that the Earth may be flat.
That is a big mountain. Mount Rainier right there. She's a big one. Another good day at Jeeping. Beautiful sights. A lot of snowflake. Found some new areas. Opened up a whole nother area to us actually that we'll be able to explore. It heads a lot further east towards the mountains, and come back out here, maybe spend a couple days seeing how far we can get before we run out of road or run out of gates. But all in all, it's been another great day jeeping. Take one.
I know how to fix that quadrojet. You take that off, you throw it in the garbage.
Cut. Take two. There is nothing better than a quadrojet. It doesn't matter. Cut. Take three. Quadrojets are the worst pieces of crap ever made. Cut. Take four. You don't need a carburetor. A little bit of carb cleaner and you're good to go.